Thousands of Ohio families have lost loved ones to COVID-19, but less than half have applied for money from the government to cover funeral expenses. Many of them don't even know up to $9,000 is available.
Nothing that's gone into people's mailboxes. There's nothing on Google Ads. There's nothing anywhere.
News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis has been following this since April. Tonight, he turns to FEMA and local and national experts on what can be done to get the word out about this program that can help so many.
Being only about a year now, it's rough.
Chris Anagnostopoulos of Olmsted Falls and his family lost their father Simone to COVID-19 last year, the day after Christmas.
He was the foundation of our family, not just his kids, but his grandkids.
After his father's death, Chris says fortunately online searches got him to FEMA's COVID-19 funeral assistance program, helping him to pay part of his family's more than $12,000 in funeral expenses. But Chris says he was stunned so few families knew about the program.
I was talking to a couple other people I know who have family members that passed that didn't know about it, even knowing that I've talked about it in the past.
Probably 70% of the families that I've asked had no knowledge of it.
Jim Milano, president of Cleveland's Milano Monuments, has seen the same problem with the FEMA program. His company now sending out these letters to dozens of Northeast Ohio families who have lost a loved one to the virus, letting them know where to apply for the funeral reimbursements. Milano believes FEMA can do more to get word out about the program.
FEMA should probably have information packets out to all the funeral homes, all the cemetery providers, all the monument companies. Possibly, why not the hospital networks?
Funeralocity.com website CEO Ed Michael Reggie pointed to U.S. Department of Health and FEMA stats showing 775,000 families have experienced a COVID-related death since the beginning of 2020. But less than 50% of those families have applied for the funeral assistance.
In the state of Ohio, over 26,000 people have died of COVID, and only 11,000 families have applied for reimbursement.
FEMA responded to our story saying it's reached out to funeral directors nationwide and has translated its website into 13 languages to help get word out about the program. Meanwhile, Reggie says any family, regardless of their income level, who lost a loved one to COVID after January 20th, 2020, can still apply for the assistance with just a phone call to FEMA and the proper documentation. It's a program Chris says was a big financial boost to his family.
But if I was on my own, and I didn't know about this program, I mean, that would have been my savings. That would have been my retirement plan. I would have had to taken that out of.
Reporting in Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis.
And that group Joe mentioned, Funeralocity, warns that families should be on the lookout for con artists posing as FEMA representatives. FEMA will never call you until you've applied for assistance. If you're concerned a call may not be legitimate, contact the COVID-19 Funeral Assistance Hotline. That's the number on your screen. More information also available on our News 5 app.